So today I'm about to show you how to create a video in N8N. First, open your N8N canvas and drag in a HTTP request node to pull your initial data, like a script from a Google Doc or a blog post via a web scraper. Connect this directly to a OpenAI or Anthropic node to summarize the text into optimized visual prompts. Next, drag in a Shotstack or Creatomate node. These cloud video editing APIs allow N8N programmatically assemble video assets. Select your credentials, choose the render video action, and map your text, background images, and music variables into the API payload. Pro tip: completely automate your video generation by adding an 11 Labs node before your video rendering block to generate highly realistic voiceovers. Pass that audio file directly into your Creatomate template alongside your AI-generated image prompts. N8N will dynamically stitch the visuals, apply transcription captions, sync the voiceover track, and automatically export a finished vertical video ready for social media. And that's it. That's how to create a video in N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.